Hi, I'm the first author, Chang. The work I'm going to present today is I got some free time, investigating text execution and text effort metrics in mobile crowdsourcing tests, conducted by MUI Lab, and my advisor is Yu-Chun. Nowadays, many researchers or companies try to use people's idle attention to attend the data they need to optimize their services by sending notifications to users. This includes when people are listening to music, going to class, or waiting in line. However, some might find it annoying to be prompted with notifications when they are busy. Therefore, our research goal is to find out what is the good time for people to do mobile crowdsourcing tasks and how these people will choose tasks. Previous research has explored how contextual factors may affect the timing of interruption. Contextual factors include what users are currently doing, users' emotions, and the relevancy of the content. For example, Pejovic et al. Found that people who are more focused on what they are currently doing are less available to be interrupted. As for mobile crowdsourcing, Kim et al. Designed hit or wait, which allocates crowdsourcing tasks and notifies contributors based on their mobility patterns. Currently, there is no research that explores how breakpoints affect whether users will do the mobile crowdsourcing tasks and how they would choose the tasks under different situations. We divided the measurement and classification into two aspects. The first is activity situation, and the second is mobile crowdsourcing tasks. We classify the activity situation according to three kinds of activities: preceding activity, current activity, succeeding activity. These activities also have different characteristics: activity complexity, perceived mental and physical efforts, and require attention. Based on the three kinds of activities, we divided the situation into 5 different types. When there is a long span of free time, either or not, preceding by or succeeding by an activity, between two activities, and in the middle of an activity. We also measure the mobile crowdsourcing text based on text types, complexity, perceived mental and physical effort, and require attention. In addition to those attributes, we measured how many clicks users made and the time they spent on the task. Next, we're going to discuss methods. We use a mixed approach method to collect contextual data. We've created a context collecting app that focuses on detecting two target apps, Google Crowdsource and Google Local Guides. We recruited 30 people and limited the process to 6 weeks. When participants begin performing mobile crowdsourcing tests, the app will detect their activity and start to log data such as their location or transportation mode. After the participants finish the mobile crowdsourcing task, an ASM questionnaire will be sent to them. Users will be asked several context-related questions, such as whether they have completed a mobile crowdsourcing task and what activity they were doing before they performed mobile crowdsourcing tasks. Every 2 weeks, we conducted a semi-structured interview asking them context-related open questions when they perform mobile crowdsourcing tasks. Our results indicate that people tend to be more proactive at transitions between tasks. When users perform tasks between activities, the execution outcomes comprise around 55%, which is greater than the other kinds of breakpoint situations. Surprisingly, people are less proactive in a long span of free time. Some users even reported that when I was not doing anything, I wanted to get some sleep or just veg out. Overall, 30 participants performed 17 distinct types of mobile crowdsourcing tasks. The participants' choice of tasks also differ across different activity situations. We found that it is because participants found certain kinds of tasks are more suitable to do in certain situations. For more detail, please read our paper.